Okay, so preparing the necklines, I'm just going to cut these the excess away. Now you may have seen one of the other videos, and I may have done it the galati differently. Don't worry about it. There's no fixed rule on doing any of this. You know, whichever way you find easier and whichever one proves to be better for you, by all means use that method, because you know, don't follow the fact that somebody else has done it in such a way, and whichever one works for you, use that method. I mean, all these methods are tried and tested, and they've all worked in their own capacity. So there's no fixed rule on, you know, if you're using one method you can't use, you know, another method. If you find somebody else's method, whether they're teaching on some other, you know, a website or YouTube link or whatever, and if you think theirs is more superior to mine, then, you know, by all means. And you'll see me swapping from one to the other as well. Some fabrics are suitable for doing certain things. Some tutorials, you know, we'll do them in some ways and some will do. Now if we wanted to attach lace on this, this is the point where we'd attach the lace on top of the fabric. I would still line the original interfacing with the fabric, and then I would attach lace on. Now one of the problems that you have with laces like these is they're very straight, and so when you apply them onto something like this, you have to create a lot of ease, and you know, that turning where that's rounded, this you can't, you have to manipulate it into making it round. So sometimes you have to stitch over it and manipulate it so that one side has the angle which turns to more, and the other angle you can make it, you know, pull on a string and make it less. So that's just, I'm not going to apply the lace on because it's too close to the neck and it's going to be irritating. That's why I've chosen to use the velvety fabric. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the one that's going to be the inside one. I'm just going to use, well, I'll take the camera to the machine and just work through this.